to roll over, Zaid. How old are you? 4 months today? Yes. Oh, look at that. What a good boy. You rolled over. You're 4 months old, but you've been doing that for a little while now. Hey, where are you going to go now? Really? Yeah? Want to do some talking? What do you reckon? What do you think? Time for rolling again? Look, there's Kaya. Big dog, sleeping. Oops, there's her head. Hey, talking. Ah! How about a raspberry? Can you do raspberry?